Pretty much every beach in Kauai so far. Donkey Beach, how would you describe Donkey Beach?
Very secluded.
Secluded?
I like it.
Hard to get to.
Hard to get to.
Probably why it's secluded.
Cool, that's pretty.
Do all that to get to a beach. We have come to learn that every hike in Kauai starts at the uphill part. So you start by going downhill. When you're going back, you go uphill. One lane bridge?
Local courtesy is 5 to 7 cars. I guess you can wait.
I'll let them go now.
Yeah. You should get that sign.
One lane bridge.
Local courtesy is 5 to 7 cars.
We were just doing the local courtesy. Stay there, yellow car. There ain't room enough for the both of us. Whoa. First sip.
It's good.
Oh yeah, look at that. You gotta like avoid all the people. That is awesome. Oh, we went out behind it. Last and final day in Kauai.
I know.
What are you feeling?
I'm feeling like we've lived every day to the max.
Death wish.
Yeah, that's
That was just really cool, yeah.
Yeah, that's interesting that someone wrote that.
Yeah.
All right.
cool. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I am currently at Queen's Bath. It's not much of a bath right now. It's more of a death pool. But these like 20-foot waves crash up into this pool. If you catch it at low tide during the summer, apparently you can swim in there. Probably not gonna swim today because there's a death count on a little sign over there, and I just think my name would be added to it. Also, a guy was telling us the other day that the big waves are coming in today to the north shore of Kauai, which is where we are right now. And so surfers will be out here today riding all of these huge waves. So these are the mammoth waves that they're talking about. hike back?
Yeah.
A wild boar ran out in front of our car. It like slid, right?
Like skidded a little.
Like skidded in the road. I got frightened, I think, by the headlights.
It was wet too.
And it was wet. We didn't hit it. I slammed on brakes in time. But that's just another wild animal we've seen here. So we've now seen, help me list them off, Amanda. Whales, fish snorkeling, sea turtles, monk seal, dolphin, manta ray / shark, we're not really sure. Wild goats. Feral goats. We've seen lots of wildlife. Just like bocce ball, except you have your coconuts. Last day on the beach, just got done winning at coconut bocce ball. Now we're gonna go find dinner. What a nice last day.